Well, good Sunday evening to you. We're pretty dry here in Monument looking at the cams, and on this side of I-25, 73 degrees is your temperature, sponsored by Hydrix. But if we notice here on satellite and radar west of I-25, we're seeing some rain showers, and even in Fremont County, still in a flash flood warning until 11 p.m. tonight. So some heavy rainfall. So if you're in that area, just be courteous of that. Everywhere else, though, and on the plains, we are dry as of now. Now, if we look into the national scene here and zooming out, notice that we have some showers in our area here and into the southeast. Notice that is where we have the water vapor imagery here. And I show this to you because we have water vapor here, but really I want to show you these height lines here. Notice these waves in the height line, and it's causing, this wave of energy and moisture. This is what is going to enter into our area as we go into your Monday, and that's what's going to cause some rain chances as we wake up tomorrow morning and into the afternoon. So tomorrow morning, that is, we're going to start the day relatively dry. We're going to have some clouds around town, but it isn't until the afternoon that we start to build in some storm and some rain chances into the higher elevations first. Then into the early afternoon, that's when we could start seeing some into Teller County and into the Pikes Peak region until they track eastward. Now, much of these storms start to disorganize as they go eastward into the plains, so I don't expect us to have too many rain or storm chances into the eastern plains into the evening hours, and models really aren't picking up on much. So generally a little bit less active in the eastern plains than we see in the higher elevations and along I-25 for your Monday. Now, we are going to heat up as we go into Monday, mid 80s, 85 in the Springs, low 90s in Pueblo there, and along the Arkansas River, very warm temperatures getting into the mid 90s. So it's shaping up to be very warm. Now, beyond Monday, as we go into Tuesday, I want you to notice here that we have a high pressure system that's over California, and we have a upper level trough that's in the northwest. This is going to strengthen and push into this area, and it's going to bring some disturbances into our area. So we're going to have some rain chances as we go into Tuesday as well. So we're really starting to shape up to have some rain chances and storm chances every day of the week coming up. Here's Tuesday. Notice here, not a lot of coverage in terms of storms and rain chances. A lot of clouds come into the forecast, but we have a lot of spotty activity here. Now, we still are 2 days out, so models could continue to update and give us a little bit more information. But as of right now, we're looking like we're going to see some scattered and some isolated storm chances as we go into Tuesday. That tapers off as we go into Tuesday night. But Tuesday's highs are going to be very warm too. We're back into the 90s here in the Springs, into the mid to upper 90s in Pueblo, and along the Arkansas River into the 100s. And personally, I like seeing rain chances on the 7-day forecast because I think it cools us off a little bit, and if you do see a storm chance, it's a great refresher there. So here's a recap there. We're in the 90s in Pueblo on Monday. We have storm chances as we go into the rest of the week, and that's pretty consistent here in the Springs too. In the mid 80s for your Monday, then into the 90s on Tuesday. And here's a look at long term. We have those rain chances for the long haul.